Chinese Traditional Art Culture Legacy, Chinese Paintings Ink Wash Shrimps by Qi Baishi. Chinese paintings have a rich cultural legacy that dates back centuries. One standout example of this tradition is the ink wash shrimps painting by Qi Baishi. This masterpiece showcases the exquisite technique and aesthetic principles of Chinese art. Ink wash painting, also known as literati painting, emphasizes the use of ink and brushwork to create poetic and expressive images. Qi Baishi, a prominent artist of the Song Dynasty, mastered this technique. His representation of shrimps in ink wash style is renowned for its delicate and lifelike portrayal. Through this art form, Qi Baishi captures the essence of nature and displays his profound appreciation for life. The careful strokes and mastery of ink shading bring the shrimps to life, showcasing the artist's attention to detail and his ability to convey emotion through brushwork. Chinese ink wash paintings, like this one, embody traditional Chinese cultural values such as harmony, simplicity, and tranquility. They reflect the deep connection between humans and nature, highlighting the beauty and serenity of the natural world. The ink wash shrimps by Qi Baishi serve as a testament to the enduring legacy of Chinese traditional art. The meticulous technique and profound expression continue to inspire and captivate audiences around the world. Showcasing the timeless beauty of Chinese culture. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content. I have a variety of playlists covering a wide range of topics, so there's something for everyone. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave a comment below. I love hearing from my viewers and value your input.